Guys, welcome back to Style Corner. This is Shobha. If you are new to my channel, this is all about trying modern and traditional beauty tips and of course DIY beauty products and product reviews and everything. My main goal is to create a channel where a girl can find everything she needs. And I'm trying my best. If you need anything from me, please leave it in comment section and I surely happily try and make a video for you. Please share my channel and support me. Let's get on to the video. This video is a simple lip contouring tutorial. Before going into that, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. First, take a darker shade lip liner and start lining your lips as shown. First, mark the upper and lower lip V sections. Following the V, draw lines on upper lip as you are drawing a little heart there. Again, draw two lines on each side parallel to the previous lines. Now at the center of the bottom lip, draw a thick line. Again, draw a line on each side of the middle line. Finally, draw your lip liner around your lips like you regularly do. Now you are done with the contouring part and you can already see this giving me illusion of fuller lips. Now take a lighter shade lipstick and apply it in the gaps without erasing the lines much. Everyone dreams of big and luscious lips, but unfortunately not everyone have them. You don't have to go for expensive lip treatments or even some homemade lip treatments when you have no time. Just do this on your go and you are all set with these fuller lips in no time. Just make sure you don't smudge the lines there. See the instant difference with and without contouring. If you are wondering how I did my hair and interested to know how, just please ask me in the comment section and I'll make a video on that. Thank you so much for watching my video and please like, share and subscribe to Style Corner.